यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Good morning. Today I am with a fresh word, vitiate. V-I-T-I-A-T-E. Vitiate. This word is often used where we were expecting something good but that was not to be. जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, सारा काम बिगाड़ दिया. He vitiated the entire good work that we did by putting poison in it. जैसे काम कैसे बिगड़ता है? You are doing very nice work and suddenly you do something which spoil the atmosphere. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? The entire atmosphere has been vitiated. It is pronounced as vitiate. V-I-T-I-A-T-E. Wherever you live and whenever you go to any place, you should make your atmosphere where you work very conducive to work. That is called conducive atmosphere. But you should not vitiate the atmosphere. Vitiate मतलब उसको बर्बाद नहीं करना. Now today, in the present context, when we are suffering under the pandemic COVID spread, we are saying that wherever these tablighi went, they vitiated the atmosphere. मतलब wherever they went, they carried the vital disease with them. That is nothing but vitiating the atmosphere. खराब कर देना. My dear children, when I use this word, see, it is not I'm not speaking only for the purpose that I am doing some speaking practice. I am doing this thing for you so that without spending a penny, by mere developing a habit of listening for 20-25 minutes, you can learn few words. And I can tell you, if you can develop these habits, you can have emergence of very good habits in your personality, which shall enable you to speak fluent English. And once you speak better English, it looks very nice. Not only to you, it looks nice to everyone. When a teacher comes to a classroom, if she or he does not speak better English, she is discarded, not liked by the children or by the management. You must have seen those teachers who speak very fluent, who speak very, flawless English. They are appreciated. Oh, my mathematics teacher, explanation is superb. Her English is very good. My SST teacher, the way he explains is fabulous, fantastic. But in the meantime, if you say that, okay, that teacher explains well, his knowledge is good, but his explanation is not good. So the entire process of teaching is vitiated. सब बिगड़ जाता है, गुड़ गोबर हो जाता है. In that context also you can use this word. But we will not drag our teacher in this, because our teachers' role are very pious. We will not drag the example of teachers in this, where we are having lots of other examples which we can use for the word vitiate. अब जैसे कहते हैं ना, माँ अपने बच्चे से बोल रही है, बेटा अच्छी से पढ़ाई करो, Don't let the atmosphere be vitiated. Drug mat lo. Don't vitiate the reputation of your family. इस सेंस में यूज होता है, बिगाड़ो मत. I just give you one mantra. If you want to remember the meaning of any word, try to spell out or speak at least 20 times this word. Because normally those words which are on my tongue, on our tongue, only those words we usually use again and again. So what happened? If you remember these words 20 times, 30 times, so that would never naturally come on your cerebral cortex or medulla oblongata or cerebral hemisphere. I am using this word because these are the faculties of our brain. Why do we dream? We dream because we somehow or the other in 24 hours we must have felt about those incident or about the picture or about the sentence or about the scenario which keeps on getting reflected from the conscious mind to unconscious mind to subconscious mind. Only those things we dream. The dreaming is not a phenomena which comes out of blue. It comes only from what we have already seen or felt or observed or remembered. So if you try to know the meaning of a word, you must try to repeat many times so that this word becomes very familiar to you. And it is, it makes a permanent home at your tongue and a very good abode in your conscious mind. Okay, so let us come back to the word again, vitiate. V-I-T-I-A-T-E. Destroy or impair the legal validity of. That fellow was pleading on my behalf, but he infuriated and he vitiated the entire legal fraternity, or he vitiated the entire atmosphere in the court. बर्बाद कर देना. So that is called vitiate. Now there are hundreds uses of it which we can discuss and which would be very helpful to us to remember the meaning of the word. What are the contexts when it is used? What are the situations that we can use? But by and large, they should be used in those scenarios when something promised or something which was expected to be nice, expected to be very well planned or going well, has not occurred. And it went on contrary. So we say, oh, we were planning for something nice, but this gentleman vitiated the entire atmosphere. So vitiate is बिगाड़ देना. इसको लिटरली इन हिंदी we say that बिगाड़ देना, माहौल खराब कर देना. और इस तरह के सिचुएशन आपको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए you may be getting umpteenth number of times, but you don't know the word. If you don't know the word, then this kind of stumbling block comes into picture, and we are not able to explain our things. We are not able to explain our feelings. As I told you, once I give you the word, then I will give you its synonyms. Vitiate means blemished. Blame. B-L-E-M-I-S-H-E-D. Blemished. The atmosphere in which we left the courtroom was one of blemished, was one of vitiated. Abhi recently we have seen 2 saints were brutally murdered in Palghar. So what kind of expression do we use? The atmosphere has been left totally blemished, or the peace, the tranquility stand vitiated in and around Palghar. माहौल कितना खराब है. Can you ever imagine? In this civilized society, somebody brutally lynching two people who are men of God. So something which is totally opposed to our moral conscience, there we use the word vitiate. Just repeat with me, vitiate, V-I-T-I-A-T, vitiate. You said, Papa, I shall never vitiate your image. You know? So these are the explanation. I shall never blemish. Never let your impression be blemished. बदनुमा दाग नहीं लगने दूंगा. When you use these kind of senses, then you have to use the word vitiate. Crippled, C-R-I-P-P-L-E-D, crippled. Crippled atmosphere. Blemished, crippled, vitiated, damaged, defaced. This is our face, and somebody is defaced. You have added blame to it, you added stigma to it, you added a slur to it. So that is called vitiate, blemished, defaced, stigmatized. This word is also stigmatized, disfigured, harmed, impaired, marred, spoiled, injured. So injury is not only when you cause some kind of injury, physical injury on your hand or the face. Injury is also sometimes very much subterranean, felt inside. Suppose a son and father is sitting side by side. Some altercation, कोई एक बात पे झगड़ा होता है, and son abuses his father. But fathers are very broad-minded. They will not say a word. But the kind of injury it reaches to father, that cannot be seen or cannot be photographed. But the internal vitiation that has caused is irreparable. This requires no proof. That kind of injury is always subterranean. देखते हैं पानी एक धारा नीचे बहती है, एक ऊपर से दिखाई पड़ती है. The thing which cannot be seen is called subterranean. एक होता आंतरिक, एक होता बाह्य. आंतरिक means internal. In English it is called intrinsic, and the बाह्य, overt, that is called extrinsic. E-X-T-R-I-N-S-I-C. Intrinsic injury can be seen. How can you see the intrinsic? Extrinsic injury can be seen, but how can you see the intrinsic injury? So these are all in the league of vitiate. Now, if we go back to antonyms, इसका जस्ट उल्टा हुआ, faultless. जिसमें अब देखो इसका क्लियर हो जाएगा. Once you see its meaning in antonyms, if you go into the area of antonyms, then the meaning is crystal clear, because that is totally opposed. When something is totally opposed, you have very good chance of comparing and contrasting. Oh, that is the meaning in synonyms. इसका ये उल्टा हो गया, antonyms. Flawless, impeccable. अरे कोई दोष नहीं है. एक होता है जहां पे always faulty, blemished, impeccable. I-M-P-E-C-C-A-B-L-E, impeccable, एकदम spotless, कोई दाग नहीं है. Behavior impeccable, perfect, complete, intact, unblemished. वहां पे क्या था? Blemished, जिसपे उंगली उठ सकती है, यहां पे नहीं. Undamaged, unimpaired. Impaired मतलब क्या हुआ? एक होता है impaired, your damage stands impaired. यहां पे totally perfect, unimpaired. So once again I like to use the word vitiate in different forms. What is the different forms? Once you look this word in the dictionary, you find. हिंदी में इसका आप देखोगे, बिगाड़ देना, something which is full of faults. When you come back to antonyms, impeccable, impeccable, perfect, flawless, without any blame, unblemished. So when these thing comes, so the entire cycle and the process of learning is complete. My dear children, once again I'll remind you that once you pick up a word, you thoroughly look for its meaning in dictionary, and after having looked at its meaning in dictionary, repeat the word for 100 times on your own without waiting for somebody's advice. Now when I say repeat the word 100 times, why? Last time I told you 25 times. When you repeat this word, knowingly or unknowingly, this word has propensity. Your own conscious, body mechanism has the propensity, tendency. इसकी एक फीलिंग होती है कि जिस वर्ड को आप याद करते हो वो बार बार आपके मेंटल फैकल्टीज में आती है, कॉन्शियस में बार बार रिपीट करती है. So you feel like using this word again and again. Once you start using this word, then you have a feeling that why only this word? And reminder from my side that look for its meaning in the form of synonyms. You will develop the habit of looking to the thesauruses. Once you have looked for its meaning, then go for antonyms. Antonyms will make it very clear. So to say, crystal clear. Oh, जहाँ पे थोड़ी सी भी डाउट हुई, इसका एंटोनिम्स बिल्कुल उल्टा बता देगा. अच्छा, इसका मीनिंग ये था, इसका मीनिंग ये था. Synonyms, antonyms, synonyms, antonyms, antonyms, synonyms. So 20-25 words in synonyms, 20-25 words in antonyms. Just imagine. आप एक ही गीत गाओगे, मुझे खुशी मिली इतनी कि दिल में न समाए. My dear children, there is no other way. Don't waste your time in going to tuitions. Don't waste any time that some faculties will teach you. God is there in you. You are the most and perfect embodiment of God. You are exact reflection of God in you. Try to believe in yourself and you will achieve whatever you feel like. So let us start with learning words and speaking fluently. Thank you very much.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय